Now let's manage notifications sent to our customers. So under settings, click on notifications. And here you will see all of the list of notifications your customers will be receiving from your store after certain events. So order confirmation, order edited. You can choose to send all of them or just few of them, and obviously customize the content within them. So let's have a look. We want to customize email being sent as order confirmation. So simply click order confirmation. And on the next page, you can choose what to include or what to exclude from the letter. You can also set up the phone messages as well if you've got it enabled. You can also preview it. This is how it looks like. So order confirmation with item details, total, shipping address, billing address, and obviously payment method. And you can add any content using the code. So obviously, if you're comfortable with using code, if not, I recommend speaking with a Shopify expert to help you customize because you don't want to mess up the look of the email. However, you can as well as leave it as it is because it is functioning and it is being set up for you by Shopify. So when finished, simply click Save. You can also customize the default template of the email. So customize the layout and the look. So simply click on Customize. And on the next page, you can change the accent colors. You can upload your own logo. And remember to update every single email template you will be changing because each one of them will need to be updated with the color and the logo if you want to have consistent look and feel. When done, simply click Save. Additionally, you can specify whether the email confirmations will be shipped after the order is being shipped out of the warehouse and is being delivered as well. So if you don't want to send them, obviously you can deselect them. And if you will be using Shopify on email marketing, you can choose to track who opened the emails or not. You can also customize the email template sent to you and to your staff member. And also you can send a test notification. If you want, you can enable desktop notifications to get notifications of the new orders directly to your desktop.